A is for apple. Apple. Hi. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for goat. Goat. H is for hat. Hat. Tip. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. Tee. J is for jug. Jug. K is for kite. Kite. Whoosh. L is for lion. Lion. Roar. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nest. Nest. Chirp. O is for orange. Orange. Pop. P is for parrot. Parrot. Hello. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. Squeak. S is for sun. Sun. T is for tiger. Tiger. Roar. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for van. Van. Beep. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yak. Yak. Z is for zebra. Zebra.
Please like and share the video and also subscribe my channel, Grow Kids. Thank you.